Potential energy. Objective: to understand potential energy. Consider a boulder resting on the edge of a hill. The boulder appears to have no energy. But if it falls, it has the potential to gain energy due to motion. Because of this, the boulder is said to have potential energy. It is referred to as potential because it is not doing any work in its present form, although it has the potential to be converted into different forms of energy. The potential energy of an object is determined by virtue of the object's position or condition rather than from any actual motion. Potential energy changes in relation to position. As the distance of the object in relation to the surface of the Earth increases, so too does potential energy. A bicycle on the ground has virtually no potential energy. However, when the cycle is taken up to a hill, it now possesses potential energy because of its new position in relation to the Earth. When the cycle is taken up much higher, it gathers more energy and thus possesses much more potential energy. While rolling down the hill, the potential energy stored in it will be converted to kinetic energy. Let's get back to the boulder situation. If the boulder were dropped from the edge of the hill, it would hit the ground with an energy that is proportional to the height of the boulder from the ground. This type of potential energy is referred to as gravitational potential energy. It is gravity which pulls the ball back to its original position. The potential energy of an object will also increase as the mass of the object increases. Potential energy, PE, can be calculated by using the formula potential energy is equal to mass multiplied by gravity multiplied by height. M represents the mass of the object, h is the height at which the object is present, and g is the acceleration due to gravity. Stretched elastic objects also store elastic potential energy. Consider a slingshot. When the rubber belt is pulled back, potential energy directly proportional to the force applied is stored. When released, the rubber belt transfers the stored energy into the stone it has been holding. This form of potential energy is referred to as elastic potential energy. Summary: potential energy is the stored energy of position possessed by an object. The further an object from the surface of the Earth, the higher the potential energy it possesses. There are two major forms of potential energy: gravitational and elastic.